Hi, I'm Grandmaster Lowacious, the founder of Sneezitsu, and this is my second in command, Sensi Teddy. Bow. Now, with this epidemic going on and some of us still having to go to work, I want to make sure we go over some sneeze defense tactics. So, you're riding the train, a passenger's over there. Now you should have your wipe to hold the rail. You're holding the rail. All of a sudden, you hear a sneeze. You clear the air. Step back. Then you rush forward with a palm wipe strike, subduing the passenger so that he or she will sneeze no more. Us.